on a tray again. So after 7 minutes at 130 degrees in the oil, they are fully cooked. I will show you.